Good morning, guys. So I'm actually going to change out the bedding today. I feel like I've already shown you. If not, I will pop it over here right now and let you guys see what bedding my dad gave me for my birthday. It's something that I've been looking at for about a year now, and I'm happy to see that it was in stock still at Target. Let me grab it up and let you see. These towels my mom gave me for my birthday, I just prefer using white ones, and these are very thick, very plush. So I'm gonna set these over here at this chair. But here's the bedding that my dad got me. It is the Studio McGee collection from Target. It's just this really pretty, like, little olivey, ivy type branch. I liked it because I felt like it would go really good in this bedroom. It's more of a neutral tone room, but I do already have these pillows that are this green color, so I felt like they would go really well together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the bed, and then I will get dressed, put my makeup on, all that jazz. I'm so happy with this. Oh my goodness. It does need a good steam, but I'm really happy with the pattern. And then I bought this mossy green quilt. It is also from Studio McGee. This is back at the Christmas time collection, but I think it'll even go well on the bed like so. I'm very happy. This looks good. This looks so nice. Now, I'm not going to go too crazy with makeup today because I am going outside and doing a little bit of yard work and then going through the house still for donation items. But Charlotte Tilbury foundation, I'll have my color and everything linked below. I'll also have that bedding linked below that I just showed you guys because it is very cute. They do have it in other colors too. So if you weren't into that like more ivy, olive branch style, they do have another quilt style that is really pretty that I was very much on the fence about getting too. My dad just told me to pick which one I like the most, and there was 2 options, so I will have those linked up in the description box below. But let's go ahead and slap on some foundation. Like I said, I'm not going to go too crazy. Literally just these 3 products right here. 2 of these are brow, 1's mascara. So here is a viewing of that bedding again. I just really wanted you guys to see it. I didn't know if the lighting gave it justice, but look how stunning it is. I'm a big fan. Now, like I said, those white pillows right there, I will be changing those out at some point. It's just, I have to make do with what I have at the moment, but yeah, I am a big fan. Big fan of this. This turned out great. Good morning, guys. We went on a 4.5 mile walk today, so my hair is a mess for that reason, but I'm gonna go grab and pick us up lunch. I was about to make lunch, but Bryce, he's caving a little bit, and he said, can we just get some tacos? So I'm gonna go grab tacos. So we are in Holly's room right now. There's a couple things I want to do in here today. One in particular is getting her bed skirt on. But before I do that, I want to go through all of her stuff, figure out if there's anything I can donate, because we do have the little paper. Let me go grab it real quick and I can show you guys what it says. Here is the paper for the, it's called a waterfront thrift store. It's local to our area. They do a lot of like mission type work, and they collect donations that they could sell in their stores, and then they turn that into their mission work. So there is quite a few locations in our area. They also have a recycling center, so if something happens and you aren't able to either afford the city's recycling little trash bin collection, but you wanted to recycle, you can also donate your recyclables to them. They take everything from plastic, glass, scrap metal, lumber. If it's something broken, they will figure out a way to properly dispose of it or reuse it. So it's a really great way as well if you're wanting to do something a little bit extra, but they literally take everything from clothing, household, home decor, linen, small appliances, electronics, toys, sports equipment, hardware, furniture and appliances, large items. So we have a few things. I'm gonna go through her clothes again in a little bit, like after we do laundry, just to double check, because I feel like there was some stuff that she wore in North Carolina that was too small. But I did go ahead and pull this like matching little tracksuit set out because it's a matching top and bottom, and I didn't want to pull one out and forget to not grab up the other. So there's this set. I think they take undergarments. If not, I know they have the recycling center so they could properly dispose of the fabrics. That's the good thing about this place, is if they get something and it's a little too worn and they can't sell it, they have that recycling center and they know exactly where everything that could be properly disposed of could go to. But here is some items already set aside, and then this little potty, and I have these empty boxes I could fill up. So I'm gonna continue looking around. 3 pairs of shoes I need Holly to try on because I'm a little bit unsure of. I really wish, I'll have to try to talk her into it, about her going through her stuffed animals. I'm sure there's a couple that we could let go of, but she has so many. So if she would let go of 1 or 2 of these, I would be very proud of her. The second bathroom in the house, it's technically Holly's. I don't think there's too many things in here. I'm gonna look in this cabinet, but I am wanting to paint and redo this room, which is why there's no towels, because I'm gonna get rid of the towels, and I've already purchased the ones that I want to put in here. So there is like 1 or 2 little things I know towel wise, but look at this closet, guys. It's so bad. It's so messy. But yeah, there's a few little things in here, like some little towels and stuff I could totally let go of. Wanted to go on ahead and get this task took care of, which is the lawn. It's supposed to rain, I think, later today, and of course later in the week as well. And it's better to get these things done before the weather gets bad. Especially because if the dirt and stuff is wet, it'll be heavier and harder for me to maneuver. So I'm gonna collect all the sticks that's fallen in the yard and then depot the plants that sadly did not make it. Hi guys, I've been very busy. Let me just give you a little outside tour of what I completed out here, and I could check and see if our stray cat is visiting. But behind me there used to be like 2 big blue stone pipe material pots that had our banana plants in them. Now sadly our banana plants did not make it, and I emptied those, put the remaining dirt out there, kind of like mulched it up, hoping to level off the ground some in that area and also give a little bit of like fertilization, I guess you would say, for the sandy soil that we have to help the grass spread. I did move, these are the only plants that survived, and the rosemary. Everything else died. So I emptied out all the pots of dead plants. So the blueberries, the little lime tree and the little lemon tree did not make it. And then the things that was in these pots right here, there was some basil and some sage. All of that's cleared out. So I got everything cleared. Let me flip this around for you guys. As you can see right here is the empty containers. Just went ahead and placed them there. I'll move them into the garage in a bit. And yeah, I'm gonna leave everything as is in this area. I went through and picked up all the sticks. So the yard waste bin is packed to capacity, which is wonderful. We're getting it all cleaned up. Now up here, all that we have is Holly's Jeep. It's being charged. These are our like summer patio chairs. And then that is Bubba's little corner. I will be moving this down there probably around March. I'll also be pulling these out around March as well, because we'll be actually sitting on the patio a lot more and have everything rearranged a little bit better and have this area cleaned up some. Now I had so much right here of like donation items and boxes. So all that's left is this little box, which this is kind of like our random summer type stuff. It's where my little seed container is, gloves, Holly's bubble blower. So this technically could probably go in the garage, but I do want to paint this box, so we'll just leave it here for now. But this area is finally cleaned up. This is stuff to be donated. That's trash. That bin is full, but our trash bin is full as well. So once yard waste comes tomorrow, I could put these in the trash bin and have 2 bins for the road on trash day. And here is the garage. It's a little dark, but this table we are wanting to donate, but they will not take it tomorrow. They said they can't take furniture. So this is something we're going to have to load up and take on our own one day. I'm going to talk to Holly and see if she wants to keep her slide or not. Last year, she didn't really mess with it too much, so I don't know. She might be getting too big for it. So that might be a donation item that we will have to take on a separate trip. I highly doubt they'll be able to carry it tomorrow because this is all the stuff they're going to be taking. It is quite a few items, as you could see. Very proud of myself. There's also this rug right here that needs to go too. So I think that is a good loot, plus that one box that's inside in the kitchen. I also moved everything that was right here. The rug was hanging out in this corner, and then Holly's baby brezza, which was her like formula little espresso maker. It's in my closet now. I can show you. I just kind of stacked it in here because I need to reorganize my closet and get that put on a shelf. But I just moved it in there because I don't want to put it in the attic. It's a very expensive appliance, and I have nowhere else to put it. And you guys had already seen the bed that I redone the bedding, so I feel really proud of myself. The only thing is these Lush boxes I need to break down and dispose of the little packing peanuts for. But other than that, I feel like we've done really good today, Louie. Don't you? Yeah? You think I did good today? I need to edit some videos this afternoon, and I do have a try-on video that I guess I will maybe film tomorrow because I am exhausted now. Something that I found was my 2022 planners. I have multiple. I'm gonna go through this and see if there's any information that was really important that I should keep, and then dispose of the rest. But sadly, it looks like I made it to sometime in June. I had stuff wrote out in June. Talking about planners, here's my new planner for the start of this year. It was sent to my dad free in the mail because he donates to this organization right here. And whenever he does a donation, they send him these like random little things that they really shouldn't be sending. I mean, it's cute. The idea is cute and nice, but take that money and give it to the charity that you are trying to get people to donate to instead of these like random things. Okay, I already put my robe on because it's actually quite chilly. It's supposed to rain at some point tonight. Let's get some light in here. I wanted to go on ahead and start prepping the bed to lie in a bit. What we typically do at nighttime is Holly watches a little bit of TV in here while I get my bath. And then of course she gets her bath. So we take turns. I'll probably let her get her bath first tonight and then I'll get mine. I'm probably not gonna wash my hair tonight because I washed it 2 nights ago and I kind of like space it out more. But I have all these Lush boxes right here. The video should already be up where I unbox all of this stuff. It was so many items. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have it linked below. Definitely give it a watch because I did their Boxing Day sale. Got so many items for 50% off. But I need to pick out what I want to use tonight. Propped at an angle and you probably can't even see me. But this basket is stuffed with bath bombs and bubble bars. So there's what it looks like. There are so many to pick from. I don't know where I would begin. I'm thinking of a bubble bar tonight. So that limits it down, like cuts it in half because I don't have as many bubble bars as bath bombs. I have 2 of these candy cane bubble bars, so maybe I'll do one of these.